GG's guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Coach Alex, and today we are diving into something a lot of you are searching for right now, that is how to make money online. So guys, I found a new website in which you can earn money just by completing tasks, just by liking people's posts, commenting on their page, following them and subscribing them. Just simple as this, so you can make money. So this is my current balance on this website and I'm going to share with you guys. So guys, don't rush to, or just stick with me to the end of this video so you can see the name of the website and also do it. So this is my current balance on this website that I'm going to show you guys. So guys, this is my current balance. Although I'm not in the main website, I just screenshot my dashboard to show you guys due to some reasons best known to me. So guys, I'm going to show you guys on how to make money on this platform, and you can make money and you can make this amount even more. Understand, whether you are a student, a star at home mom or parents, or just a person looking for a side hustle to boost your income. So guys, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to make money on this platform sitting at the comfort of your home. Understand? So I'm going to just go over to my web browser to show you guys this website that I'm going to share with you now. So I'll just minimize, go over to my website, we'll go over to my browser. So guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and also comment down this video to make more videos on how to make money online. So guys, I'm going to search for Hawkit. Yeah, the name of the website is called Hawkit. Yeah, it have load. So guys, once you search Hawkit on your web browser, it will show you the interface. Understand? Just click on it. It will show you this, as you can see. Get paid for posting adverts daily on your social media. You can see, as I told you guys, you can earn daily income by reselling products, posting adverts, and also performing simple social tasks for top business and brand on your social media. So in this website, it's not only just to like people's posts, commenting on their page, and also subscribing to their channel or something like that. In this website called Hawkit, you can also promote or resell products without wasting much of your time. Just click on create account. Remember, I have my account on this, so I'm just going to lead you guys step by step on how you can register on your account and start making money with this platform. So just put in your full name. I'm going to put in a random name. So in this referral username, just go down to the description of this page. Click the link down below to register on this platform, and once you register, you will see the link there. Just click it and use it and register for this platform. So I'll click on sign up. Yeah, just input your username. I'll just put a random username, then I'll put in my email address, then you can put in your preferred password. Okay, just then click on create your account. As you can see, username exists already. So if they show you this username exists already, just click on change the number also, or change the name. So I'll click on Alex23. Let's check this one whether it's already okay. Thank God it's not already used. So guys, it will load up this interface. Yeah. So they're going to send you email. They're going to send you confirmation code. You can see verify your email. So just go over to your Gmail. I'll just go over to my Gmail. Now, yeah, you can see. I'll just click on it. The first email you see there. Then this is the confirmation code. That is 558565. 558565. Let me check if I'm correct. 55856. Yeah. So you just click on confirm. Wow. So once you have confirmed your email, you can say welcome to Hawkit. Congratulations, Senior King. Your email has been verified successfully. You need to set up your gender and current location before you can continue. So just put in whether you're a male or female. Just click your state, whether you are from Anambra State, Akwa Ibom, Bauchi, Bayelsa, Cross River, Ebonyi, Gombe, Kaduna, Kano, anyone. Just click in your state. So I'll just click in Anambra State. Just input your local government. So I'll just click on my local government. Yeah, set the location. Now it will say you are almost done. With the setting up of your account. Simply upload a profile picture to enable people to recognize and connect with you faster. So you can just click on this, click to upload. You can now upload your profile picture, but if you don't want to upload it yet, just click on skip. So input your date of birth. I'll just put a random date of birth here. Just scroll down. Just put a random date of birth. Oh yeah. Just select your region. Now here you select your region, whether you are Christianity, whether you are Muslim. I'm a Christian, so put in a Christian. Just continue. Yeah, so once you registered using my link, you will see your dashboard like this. You can fund your money, you can withdraw, and also you can use it to buy airtime. You can see you can use your money to buy airtime, and you can fund your money, you can withdraw your money. So welcome to Hawkit. For social media users and advertisers, buy social media engagement and get people to post your adverts on their social media. Get 3 people on various social media to post your adverts and perform social engagement. This means like we can buy people to post your advert. Like let's say you are advertising on a product and you want people to help you to share it. You can come to this website and also post the job and pay for the money, and people can start sharing your tasks to let people know your product. So like, and also if you want to be an like if you want to hire people to like your page, like your page, follow your page, so subscribe to your channel, you can come over to this website and also do that. So guys, you can see available tags, see our current available tags. So you can see, click here to resell a product and earn up to 100,000 monthly in a sale commission. You can see that's what I told you guys before. You can resell products here and make money. So you can see follow people and pages. You can see you can earn up to 5 naira per follow, and there are 4.3 thousand tasks available on this by following people. You can see just calculate it, just at least a day. Let's say you complete like 100 tasks a day, complete it to 5 naira. At least we can make a reasonable amount. You can see there are 4,300, that is 4.3k tasks available a day. There's 4,300 tasks available a day. You can see like and follow Facebook business page and earn up to 5 naira, and you can see there are 653 tasks available on this. You can like post on social media, and there are 99 tasks available on this. So this is how it works, guys. So if you scroll down, you see recent activity. You can see these are the people that have already earned from this website today, are already on the job performing tasks, and they are different locations. This one is from Kwara State, this one is for Katsina, this one is for Oyo, this one is for Nasarawa, this one is for Cross River. So there are many states, there are many people doing this daily, and they're making money from this daily. So guys, what next you need to do is just scroll up and also just click on become a member. You can see turning on social media account into money. You can see, so there are many things you do here to earn money. First of all, earn steady daily figure by following, liking, commenting and sharing, retweeting or posting adverts for businesses on your social media. You can see you can earn money instant referral commission at 500 naira. So once you refer your family, your friends, your well wishers, once they register on this website, you inviting them, you will receive a bonus of 500 naira. And you can see earn social media post referral and 20% commission of any amount they paid them. So let's say if the person now earn up to 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira, or let's say 5,000 naira a day, like you that invite them, you add 20% of their commission. You can see, and you can also use your balance to buy airtime or data. This website is so good, and you can see say anything on Hawkit. So if you have a product that you are selling, or let's say you are a business woman or businessman. Let's say you are selling shoes or you are selling clothes. You can come to this Hawkit and post it, and people can patronize you. You can understand? And mind you that this website is not for free. This website, you can see, activate your account with only 1,000 naira. Just 1,000 naira. It won't take you. It won't take you more than that. I know that in a day you spend more than 5,000 naira a day, so you can use 1,000 naira to deposit and make your money, and you can make the money even in just a day. Because if you are sold on this website, you can make more than 5,000 a day. So guys, you can see when you activate your account with one-time payment, this one-time payment, this is not the one that you redeem maybe every month or every week. No, it's one-time live payment. So when you activate your account with one-time payment membership fee of 1,000 naira, you get a lifetime access to enjoy the following benefits. Understand? So the this thing is, membership fee is 1,000 naira, guys. It's not going to take you more than that. Understand? So you need to, you want to make money, right? So at least you pay for the registration fee. It's as simple as that. Just 1,000 naira, and bet me that once you pay for this and register and start doing your and start completing tasks, you might earn up to 10,000 to 5,000 a day. Understand? And you can withdraw. So without wasting much of your time, if you stick with me to this video right now, I would want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and also comment down this video. So I'll just go over to this place they say markets. Let me show you guys how to resell a product and earn commission for it. Yeah, it's loading. So guys, these are the various categories of people that are posting their jobs. As I told you, like if you have any of your product that you are selling to make money online, like let's say you are just selling a shoe, let's say you are just selling a clothes, or you are selling anything, or let's say cream, perfume, anything that you are selling in your normal business day, just you can snap it on your phone, then post it here. People can patronize you and buy from you. It's as simple as that. Let's say you can see this person now. This person is selling this jean for just 13,000 naira, and this person is selling this grow to your brand on social media. Okay, and you can see there are various people, various type of people. As you can see, there are various type of product people are selling here. You can see register business registration made easy. You can see high quality shine dress for women, 15,000 naira. You can see affiliate marketing blueprint, 2,000 naira. There are many type of businesses people are doing here. So let's say that this product is being said at, let's say these shoes now, this home of luxurious wears. Let's say you want this product is being said, or let's just go to laptop. Yeah, so this laptop is being said at 230,000, and basically you don't want to buy this laptop. You want to just resell the laptop and earn money and commission. Like you are now the middleman between the buyer and the seller. This person is the seller. Why you as a middleman is trying to showcase it to the buyer that want to buy it. So just click on this view product. Remember, this product is sold as 230,000. You can see you can contact the seller on WhatsApp. You can see you can contact the seller on WhatsApp, and also, so one, you might be saying, how much will I earn if I was able, or if I were able to resell this product for him or her? Just click on this product, just click on this place. You can see, to resell this product, you have to click the button below to generate your unique reseller link for this particular product. You will get a reseller commission of 23,000. So once you resell this product now, this product is being sold at 230,000. So once you resell it and people buys it, you earn 23,000. So let's do the calculation now. Let's say like you post this laptop, or you post this on your page, or let's say on your WhatsApp status now, or on your Facebook status, on your Instagram status, on your TikTok live story. Once any person buys this laptop, you earn a commission of 23,000. Check it. You earn a commission of 23,000. Once everybody buys this product, you earn 23,000. Let's say now 5 people buy this product, like they sit on your status now that they want to buy the product. Once they click on your link and you take them to this person, and once they buy it, automatically you earn 23,000. Let's say like two people buy the product. once they buy the product, you earn 46,000 naira, I think. And you can just 2 person buy the product to you have earned 46,000 naira. Simple. Understand? So that's what you do on this thing. You can refer, you can post it on WhatsApp status, on your Instagram status, and once anybody buys the product, you earn a commission on it. That is simple. So guys, this is how this platform works. It's as simple as that. There are many products here in which you can sell, in which you can resell and make money from it. So if you don't want to be completing tax, liking post, you can just reselling this product and making money. You understand? So that there are many products in which you can refer. Understand? So guys, this is how this platform. You can also come here at this 3 dots here. You can come here at this place in which you can fund your account. Let's say you want to fund this account. You can click on you can click on fund and you can place withdrawals. Then this is your transaction history. This your if you want to update your password or update your location or bank details. So once you just register, just update your bank details here. In case if you want to withdraw, just update, or you can just click on select your bank. You can choose whether you are using First Bank, Union Bank. So just put your bank here and also input your account number and click on verify. It's as simple as that. So if you want to withdraw, you won't have any issues. So this is how this platform works, guys. So remember, the one-time membership for this thing is 1,000 naira. It's as simple as that. So guys, this is how this platform works, and I want you to dive into this website and start making money on it. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and also give this video a thumbs up. So guys, I would like you guys to use the link down to the description of this video and also visit on this platform and start making money. See you guys next time. Bye.